best, on campus or off campus? What do you think, you guys? You tell me, what do you think? Is off campus good or on campus placement opportunity is good? Which one is good? On campus. I think on campus is good. Why? Because there a lot of things are already pre-prepared for you, right? It's been done for you already. The companies are being sorted by your college, and then your resumes are even prepared by them sometimes. Our college was there who helped us to prepare resumes, and your might also be the one. So they help you with all that process, in order to get you placed. So your only task is to study well, perform well, and get the job. You do not have to search for the companies. You do not have to apply on any job portals which are there. You don't have to think about it. The company will come. Your PTO is going to tell you that this company is there. Whatever is the cutoff, the students will be sent. Okay, that is the only process. So your part is only to study. So I also believe on campus is good. It is best to get a placement on campus. But yes, not a problem. Off campus, when you're applying, it's all right. For some people off campus also, they might have taken a year break or some or the other thing that comes and happens, and then they apply off campus. But in off campus, the competition also, it is much, the competition, it increases. There are many students applying off campus. All of them, now maybe at college you had only a strength of 100 people applying for one company when there is bulk hiring. But now when you go for any bulk hiring companies, there are 300 candidates, 400 candidates. So the competition also becomes vast over there, or huge, right?